Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing what Apple needs so you don't waste time. First, make sure iOS is updated and you're signed into your Apple ID with two-factor authentication active. Once done, open Wallet and tap the Apple Cash card to read the lock message. That tells you if it's identity, restrictions, or a security hold. Next, gather your government ID, the last four of your SSN, and your device passcode so you can complete identity steps immediately. Now you perform the verification that unlocks Apple Cash. Go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, select Apple Cash and tap Verify Identity. Enter your legal name, date of birth, and the last four of your SSN. If prompted, take clear photos of your ID and follow on-screen cropping instructions. This reduces delays. Make sure your payment and shipping address matches your ID and that region and age requirements are met. Because mismatches, finish by letting Apple process your documents and then validate on-device settings. Restart the iPhone, and if verification stalls, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in to force a sync. If the card remains locked after 24-48 hours, contact Apple support and provide any reference or error codes. Ask for a screen share session to walk through the lock. If things go wrong, try a different network, correct date/time, or submit verification from another Apple device. Network and device issues often cause failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.